In today's video, I'm going to teach you Airtable Lookup. A lookup field in Airtable is a simple but powerful way to display information from one table inside another table without having to type that information manually. This is especially helpful when your data is connected across tables and you want key details to appear automatically. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to set that up clearly and smoothly. To begin, open the table where you want to show information from another table. This is the table where the lookup field will live, so start in the place where you want the extra information to appear. It helps to already know which related table contains the information you want to bring in because that will make the setup much faster. Next, create a linked record field, or use one that already exists if your table is already connected to another table. A linked record field is what allows Airtable to build a relationship between two tables. If you don't have one yet, this is the key foundation for the lookup to work. Without a link between records, Airtable won't know where to pull the data from. Once that field is ready, connect the current table to the related table. In other words, make sure the linked record field is pointing to the correct table that contains the information you want to display. This connection is what tells Airtable these records belong together. If the wrong table is linked, your lookup won't return the result you expect, so it's worth double checking this part. After that, add a new field and choose the lookup field type. This is the step where you create the actual field that will display information from the related table. Airtable will then guide you through a couple of setup choices to define exactly what should appear. When prompted, choose the linked record field as the source. This tells Airtable which relationship to use for the lookup. Then choose the field from the related table that you want to display. For example, you might show a status, a category, a date, or any other useful value already stored in that connected table. Finally, check the lookup result and confirm that the value appears correctly. Look at a few records and make sure the information being displayed matches the linked record. If something looks off, it usually means the link source or the selected field needs to be adjusted, and that's it. Once your lookup field is in place, Airtable can automatically surface related information for you, making your base cleaner, faster, and much easier to manage.